Have you been wondering how you can make that perfect soft tea bread recipe and you've been trying it out but it is not working? This video is for you because this was nothing but perfect. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So as I said earlier, we are making tea bread. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. After 30 minutes, my dear, just mold it anyhow that you want, or any shape that you want, okay? But this is the actual size. Did I say size? The actual shape that we have in Ghana. And then just dip it in your flour. You are good to go. So after we are done with everything, we are just going to keep this in a warm place for 1 good hour. And if I show you the outcome after 1 hour, you are going to melt. The thing was perfect, and it was already looking soft. So we are done with everything, and as I said earlier, we are going to keep this in a warm place for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, this is how it looks. Yes, very perfect and already looking soft. So I'm going to bake this in my oven, and I will show you the results after that. It took me 30 minutes, and this is the outcome. Oh my god. So perfect. So one thing I want to share is that steady your oven, okay? All the ovens are not the same, so steady your oven, okay, so that you get perfect outcome of whatever thing that you bake. So if you want it very brown, you can make it very brown, but this is the look I want. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, this is perfect, soft, and it tastes so good, just like the one on the roadside. Just look at that. Do you know one funny thing? I prepared this and also prepared kinky, and I was into the kinky. I wanted to eat kinky palm. After I finished preparing this and I tasted a lot, now I'm satisfied. I can't eat the kinky anymore. It was nice. Try this and you're going to love it. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for the next upload, because you can't afford to miss it. I'm going to bring you something new, and it is going to be gigim gagam gagam. It is going to be fire, so don't miss the next upload. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, remember I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.